question given how to find out the radii from this diagram. Diagram actually ABCD is a square, you would understand from here, because having with the length R and R given, square side is given R and R, and it is actually with the center A, one arc length from B to D, another arc length from A to C from B, it is given. So this is the place bounded red area, and another one, this is the red area. So how to find out this two red area? Actually, first we need to set the ideology how to find out this one. If we add this two side from B to this point, and from A to meeting of this two arc length, this two part is also equal to the length of AB. Since it's with the center B and it's arc length of AC, so it's also radius from here to here. So you can say this is the length R, that is the length also R. So if three sides are equal, then you can say it's formed a triangle which is equilateral, where the all angles are equal. We know that sum of three angles is pi, so it formed angle here pi by 3, which is 1/3 of the total angle in a triangle. This is also, you can say, pi by 3. All angles are pi by 3. Now we need to set a strategy how to find out this red area. It would more easier if it had been given this black area as a red color, then total area you can find out easily. It's very simple, we could find out this one easily, but the problem is here the question is given only find out the red area, so it's really difficult to find out. Now if we can find out this, the lower portion black area, then it's easy to find out the radii. If we divide this square vertically, let you draw a line from here. We are dividing this square vertically because this vertical line, two parts are symmetrical. Definitely here it makes a 90 degree, and lower part also it makes a 90 degree. And let you consider this lower part as a R, area R, and this is the also area R on the both side. First target is to find out this R, then easily you can find out the area by subtracting quadrant from the square and this R. So first our target is to find out this R. So if we consider this half of this part, I'm going to draw it here. Half of this part. Our target is to find out the area R from here. So this is the part. I think there is an arc length. It goes like this, and we have drawn a line from here to there, and we mark the side, and another portion it goes like this. We mark the side. This is the R from the above diagram. Half of the square, we can say this is the part, half of the one side, which is R by 2 definitely. So you can write here R by 2, and this is the side R because it's the BC side also R. This is the BC here, and another portion in the middle we have drawn in the midpoint, from the midpoint of AB till to the midpoint of DC we added, and this is the length. Total is R. Here is the angle 90 degree, and we got the angle. This is the total angle is pi by 3, which is 60 degree. So definitely we know this corner is 90 degree, so we can say this is the angle from here to there. This is the angle, it lies pi by 6, which is 30 degree only, because from pi by 2, if we separate pi by 3, we'll get the pi by 6. First our target is to find out this length. If we consider this is a height H from here, not height, the length, if we consider H, then it is one triangle which is H by R by 2, and we can write here 10 pi by 3, because it's the triangle rule opposite by adjacent, which you can say 10 pi by 3. Then H is equals to R by 2 and 10 pi by 3, which is root 3. So we can write here R root 3 divided by 2. This is the length from here. Now we can set one strategy. This is the triangle. We can find out this triangle area easily because we have the height and length, and we also can find out this arc length. Arc length from here to there is the arc length. Then from a rectangle, if we subtract this arc length and the triangle, we can easily find out this r. This is our target, to find out this r, because if we can able to find out this r, it's easy to get the red area. So let me find out the area r from here, and to get the area r from here, we need to write r is here, r equals to, so total triangle area is total rectangle area, which is h into r by 2. One length is r root 2 by 2, and another length is r by 2. So total rectangle area, actually we can write r by 2 into r, which is r square by 2. This is the total rectangle. Minus, we are going to subtract the first triangle, which having with the, I marked here with the straight shaded area, which is h into r by 2, and h we got r root 3 by 2. So our triangle area formula, we know that half into base into height. So we are going to apply this formula. Half into its base is r by 2, and its height is also given here, r root 3 by 2. R root 3 by 2. We're going to subtract the arc length. Arc length is given, that is the arc length. I am marking again, this is the arc length. So we know the arc length from the half r square theta, where its radius is r and its angle is pi by 6. So easy to write the formula. Half into r square into theta is pi by 6. Pi by 6, here the 30-degree angle. So we can write the total thing like this. Let me simplify it, which is r square by 2 minus, here actually half into this, so r square root 3 by 2 to the 4 to the 8, we can write, minus another one, r square pi by 6 to the 12. We got this as a area r. It is, I already have drawn on the diagram, this is the area r. So twice of this area definitely on the both side you can get from here. Let me do that. 2r, we can write 2r. 2r means we have to multiply 2 into the whole area. From here the value we got r square by 2 minus r square root 3 by 8, then r square pi by 12. If we multiply with the 2, then it gives us r square minus r square root 3 by 4, and another one minus r square pi by 6. This is the area we got from here as a r, as a twice r, because we multiply with the 2 on the both sides. This is the 2r. Now set up our strategy very simply. I'm going to erase the part I have drawn here. So see, now if you see the total diagram, it's easy to find out the total diagram. We can find out the square area easily. Square area, total area from the square area, if we subtract one quadrant from here, this is our strategy. Quadrant, one portion of the circle, I think 1/4 of the circle, then we'll get red, and this 2r area, that is the 2r. So from square, if we subtract one quadrant, means 1/4 of the circle, then we will get red area plus this 2r. So we already have the 2r area, and if we subtract 2r from there, then we will get this half of the red portion. Half of the red portion, So half of the red portion we can write here, half of the red portion we will get from the square, means r square minus 1 quadrant, which is pi r square by 4, definitely pi r square by 4, 1 quadrant minus this twice r. I'm going to write here because we are going to subtract, so it should be minus r square, then plus r square root 3 by 4, then plus r square pi by 6 we got from here. So let us calculate this part. Now we can cut out this r square and r square. So the part we got from here, we needed to multiply with the 2 because 2 on the there is a left side, there is a 2 red area, we can say 2 into rest of the part. So 2 into, we can write here, let us write first the positive part, pi r square by 6 plus r square root 3 by 4 minus pi r square by 4. So we can add this to pi r square. First we multiply with the 2, then it gives us r square pi or pi r square by 3, then plus r square root 3 by 2, another one minus r square pi by 2. Because I wrote this like that because we already multiplied, and I wrote here r square first. Now simplify it by making the LCM, which is, we can say 3 to the 6 is our LCM. If we divide the 3 to the 2 pi r square, first one is 2 pi r square, then if we divide with the 2, then we get 3 from there, then it would be plus 3 root 3 r square. From here we got minus final one, if we divide with the 2 3, then this is also 3 pi r square, 3 pi r square. So finally we would get from here 3 root 3 r square minus 2 pi r square minus 3 pi r square, it gives us pi r square. So divided by 6, so take common r square by 6 from here. If r square by 6, then write the rest of the part, which is 3 root 3 minus pi. Is it our answer? Yes, we got the same, r square by 6, 3 root 3 minus pi. This is the answer. So to do this type of question, we need to set up first strategy. It's not hard which portion we have to find out. This is the way how we can solve this question, and we got the same area. So any part we can find out from here. Thanks for watching.